Okay, students, so our today's topic is we will discuss relationship in Access and group by query and how to write mathematical expression in table. For example, you want to add numbers, you want to get some total, you want to calculate average in at table level. Okay, at table level. So how to write mathematical expressions. These are the topics. So first, relationship in MS Access. So I have sample databases. For example, Croatian. Tables are given. Go to database tool and relationship. This one tables are here. In table, there are two type of keys. First, primary key and foreign key. Okay. If you know this,
Assalamu alaikum.
if you know this concept, then relation to establish a relationship, it is very easy. So primary key and foreign key. Primary key, you know, for example, this table, if we open in design view and then see, you right click and select this. This is a primary key. If duet, it is gone. So mean finish. So set primary key this one. So we'll come here and okay. Primary key is a unique field in a table which is used to restrict the duplicate values in the table. Restrict the user to enter duplicate values. Okay, like in this table, player ID, for example, 11 players are there, so every player will get one ID. So if this primary key is there, it will allow the user, not allow the user to duplicate the ID for the other user. That is a primary key. Okay, primary key, a unique field in a table. Okay, so this is a primary key. Primary key, a unique table, unique field in a table helps to restrict values in a table. Values in a table. Like student ID. So every student will get a unique ID. So if we will set this as a primary key, so it will not record the duplicate values. It will record only unique values. Second one is very interesting and important also. Foreign key. Foreign key, first I will write, then I will give the example. Okay. A common field okay, but same as a primary field or primary key in another table. Okay, it is a common field in, we will write it one table, but same as primary key, but okay, but a primary key in another table. So that is known as foreign key. Okay, clear? It is a field which is not primary key in the table, but when we look this field in another table, it is a primary key there. So that field which is a normal field in one table, but primary key in another table is known as foreign key. I will show you the example now. See this one, player ID and sales. We will open in design view. See, sale ID is here and player ID is here. See, player ID. We have checked here in player table, player ID is a primary key field. Okay, but in sales, player ID is a normal field. Primary key is sale ID, but player ID is a normal field. So this player ID is a foreign key. Foreign key, same as primary field, but in another table, not in the same table. So that is the primary key and foreign key relationship. And this will help us to establish a connection between 2 or 3 tables. See here, 4 tables are given. Okay, so this field can be duplicated. This field will be duplicated, but this will not be duplicated. Okay, now let's start how to, where are the databases? Okay, so Kruachan is open already. Okay, so we will close. No. Yes, see, these are the sales, stock, player, and team. Now check this stock ID. First, just have a look. Stock ID here, primary key. Sales, sale ID. Now check stock ID, another all tables. See stock ID here, no stock ID here, and no stock ID here. So it means this primary key will be linked with this because this is a normal field but a foreign key here. Same information of stock they want to store here. Okay, so this one. Now check this sale ID. Here, nothing. Here, nothing. Here, nothing. So no need. So we will not connect this with anyone. Now check this player ID. Here, no. See here, player ID is here. So this is a primary field and here it is foreign key. So we will link this with this. Now check this team ID because team will be also linked with player and with this. We will check team ID. See, sometime same should be there, but sometimes they change it a little bit. But the purpose is same. Team ID or team code. So this field will be same. It's if it is a text, both will be text. If it is a number, both will be number. Player ID and player ID, this primary field and common field, both will be of same type. If not same type, then there is no relationship between primary and foreign key. All properties, all feature must be same. Okay, so now how to connect? So drag this field and drop on this stock ID. This window will come and check on this and create. See, one to many, infinity sign and one. This will be stock ID will be one time and this sale will be repeated. So it means stock ID value here it will be repeated. Sale on every sale, so stock ID will be updated here. So one to many. Now player ID is here. You can drag this or this, no problem. Okay, so here check this. So one to many again. Player ID player detail will be repeated. Player ID detail will player ID in data will be repeated here in sales. Okay, now team ID and this team code. Check this. See, so now they are linked with each other. Stock connected with sale, sale with connected with player, player with the team. So now this is a one database. We can use any query. For example, you want to extract information from stock and team. You will add these. Okay, just in query, select fields from stock and from the team. You will get the details. you want information from team and player, so you will select few fields from here and few fields from there. It will give you the details. Okay, so this is a relationship. So what type of relationship is among all these tables? One to many. Sometime a situation will come, one to one relationship will be there, but a relationship is here and among all tables, one to many, one to many, one to many, player with sale and team with player one to many. Okay, so team ID will be repeated here. So this is a one example. Now this for term 3 exam, one announcement for you people. We will practice from sample papers, but now teacher made paper will come. No from past paper. Okay, we will repeat all concepts. We will again repeat. New things will come also. So we will explain each and every topic of practical portion, but not paper will not come from past papers. Okay, so you can practice any paper, any year, but paper will come unseen. Now this is a challenge for you. Okay, clear? Abdul Samad?
Sir, clear.
Sir, I didn't understand. Can you repeat?
Yes, sir,
Sorry?
clear.
I said, okay, Abdurrahman, I said this time, like as previous, we gave you past paper, 3-year paper, okay, practice this and any one paper will come. Now, no exam from past paper. Past paper only just for practice. We will give a teacher-made paper. It will cover the same topics, but new things will be there. If you know the concepts, if you are expert in queries, you are expert in relationship as I am explaining this relationship, then no issue. For example, in PowerPoint, you know everything. So it will not come from past paper. It will be different, but concepts will be the same. Okay. So this is one example for relationship. Okay. I am saving it. So second database, DHG 2000. Here one table, so no need of relationship. We will leave this. Holidays table. Okay. So go to database tool and relationships. See, sometime if tables are not here, so don't worry. Right click and show tables. Tables are here. So double click and add the tables. Double click and add the table. Now see, now same formula you will apply here. Now I am asking Abdul Samad, he will help me how to set up a relationship. Abdul Samad, please go through this and first tell me the first criteria, which point you will keep in mind.
Sir, we can. Assalamu alaikum. Yes,
Walaikum
we can connect them both using the holiday ID one. So, sir, we will go to the top menu bar and we will go to the tools or top here over here. Top menu bar will go to tools. No, here. No, help design. This design.
Design, where is design?
Sir, on top.
This one, huh?
Yes, and then we will go to the left side one. This
Edit.
first. Yes.
There is no relationship. Now, no need to edit. No, no need to. No.
And sir,
This,
we will then
see,
create.
my dear, Abdul Samad, this edit is only when you have already relationship.
Sir, but we can add a new relationship like this. We can add a new one. There is a button called create new over here. If we go
So,
to edit
why you are
relation,
wasting time, na? But you just directly start from here. Okay, at least 2-3 clicks you will do. You will go in design, you will go here, then you will create a new one. Okay, see, this will come. Okay, so no need of this. So it's confusing. When you are expert, then it is okay. For the beginners, it is confusing. So I will not
okay.
recommend. I will not recommend this.
Yes,
When
you
you
can
will
tell me.
when you will practice 2-3 databases, then you can do yes.
Yes.
Okay, see from here. So what I will do?
Sir, you can just drag the holiday ID to the other holiday ID.
Okay, see client ID 1, no client ID here. Holiday ID here, but holiday ID here also. Here primary key, here it is.
Holiday ID. So we can then drag it.
What will be the name of this holiday ID?
I think it will be called the
Foreign
primary
key.
key.
Foreign key, Zen, good.
Yeah,
Foreign key.
foreign key. Sorry.
Yes.
Foreign.
So you can drag this or this, no issue. Anyone you can drag. See this one. So now holiday ID, connect. We are connecting together, and don't forget this. If you will not click this, see if I create. So no, it will not come here. The type of relationship. It will work, but it will not show the type of relationship. If you have done this mistake, see right click here and edit relationship now and check this. Enforce referential integrity. It must be on and okay. See one to
And sir,
many
how do we
relationship.
remove a relationship?
Yeah, just click on line, this right click and delete.
Oh, okay.
So yes, drag this here and enforce this one. Now they are interlinked with each other. So this is the Abdullah Qazi. What type of this relationship is?
One to many.
One to many. Good. So this is the example 2. Okay. So number 3, OPR 2017. We'll go to database 2, relationship. 3 tables are here. Okay, Abdullah Qazi, now your turn.
So we can match a worker ID from the history table with the worker ID in the worker table.
Worker ID from the history table and worker ID. Good. So this one, drag it here and enforce. Yes. Next. Next, coastal walk. How you will connect coastal walk?
So coastal walk from the coastal table with coastal walk from history table.
From history table. Good. So here it is a foreign key. Here it is a primary key. So you will drag, check this, and create. Now relationship is okay. So this one.
Sir,
This
can you
one-
repeat?
Okay. So see, my dear, we will delete relationships. This one, Abdurrahman, see. So you can drag. First, you match the fields. Coastal walk ID. Check in history. See, coastal walk ID is here. And here, no. If it is coastal walk ID here also, we can connect. Okay. So not the walker ID, it is different. If it is same, then coastal walk ID here and here. So just drag and drop here and enforce and this. So one to many relationship. Okay. So now they
Okay,
are
sir.
okay, clear. Now they are interlinked with each other.
So,
Okay.
sir, what's the use of this?
Yes, good question. This use of relationship is first is the table become the integral part of the each other. So this worker is connected with history and history connected with coastal walk. So you can select information from any table. Okay. So you can extract information using queries from any, and you can update also. If you will update this one, coastal walk, and coastal ID is here, it will be updated here also automatically. If you are updating ID here and ID here, it will be updated automatically. So it means wherever the related informations are there, those information will be updated at the same time because they are interlinked with each other. Okay. So this is the purpose of relationship and up-to-date information. Up-to-date. See, if they are not linked with each other, if you update worker ID here, it will not be will be updated here. It will not be updated here. Worker ID here and here. It is coastal ID, so it will be updated here. If you are updating worker ID here, so it will not be updated here. So when you will create a reports, then wrong information will come. So relationship gives the accurate informations. Clear? So this is the third example. Now this PM table database tools. Okay. Now Zen,
Yes, sir.
yes, please help me how to connect to this one now. Rental, bicycle, and contact ID. Contact table.
Sir, the ID in bicycle to bicycle ID.
Hmm. Okay, dear. Sorry.
Sir, the primary key in bicycle, which is ID, to bicycle ID and rental.
Well done. So primary field in bicycle will be connected with the common field in rental, which is a foreign key. So this we will connect with this enforce. Well done. This is connected with this. Now rental in contact.
Sir, the ID in contact to contact ID and rental.
Contact and contact ID. Well done. See, it is not, don't confuse ID with rental ID. So this with this. Enforce and create. Muzaffar? Muzaffar Bucks,
Yes, sir.
are you there? Yes,
Yes,
please.
sir.
Now say, explain how to connect this. Help me, please.
So relationship.
Yes, relationship. Contact table, rental table, and cottage. How to connect? Okay, we want to connect contact table with rental. So how you will start?
Sir, you will drag it to the rental table.
Which contact table we will drag?
Sir, no, we
No, sir,
will,
the
the first,
Other, please wait. Muzaffar. Yes.
sir, the field which we want to make the relationship.
No, you will say na which field we want. Which field we want
Okay,
from
sir.
here to here. You were there, I
Sir,
explained.
contact ID and contact ID.
Good. So see contact ID, this is a primary field and contact ID, it is a normal field. And what is the other name of this normal field? If it is same as primary field,
Sir, what's the name of the
this field, other name of this field,
sir
because this
foreign
is
key?
foreign key. Good. Okay. So you will drag this here and enforce. Yes. Abdurrahman Qazi, next.
sir, we are gonna, this, wait, let me check.
Sometime, confusing, but
Sir, but there is no similar field.
but see, you will know.
Yes, I
Just
made it.
guess it. Common sense, common sense.
Sir, this one, cottage name.
No, you know, a field is which has unique values. Okay, sorry boys. So, okay. Yes, Abdurrahman?
Sir, sir, I don't know.
Okay, Zain?
Sir, cottage ID and code.
See, Abdurrahman, this is code primary key here. Just common sense, my dear. From here, see, contact. This is a table name. This one, contact ID. From here, okay, but not this one. This cottage ID. See, cottage table and ID. So it means this is a primary key and code is also primary key. So cottage ID with code. Enforce it. See. So one-to-many relationship, cottage and rental, and one-to-many relationship, contact with rental. Sometime, you know, common sense is required, my dear. Table name with ID. Sometime, you know, I told you, in some databases, they will not give you same field, but they will give you some, you know, identity there. You can guess, common sense you can use. So cottage table name is there, cottage table ID is there. So we will take this field and put this. So this is the relationship. Okay, so this I have uploaded there also. So you can download and practice this one. I have uploaded in files. This one I have uploaded. So still a class finished. Huh? Which class you have next? Okay, so practice this. Next I will explain to this one. Group by queries and how to write mathematical expression. Okay. Okay, dear. Thank you very much.
Sir, could you share this to us?
Yes, I have. I am sharing now. I have recorded. I am sharing.